Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's his next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? Is Bitcoin ready to go back down to the 58,000 or continue down all the way down to $50,000 area, $52,000 area where there's some resistance? We're going to talk about that and more in today's episodes, and we're going to show you how to trade this, how to manage your trades, and how to deal with the stress of trading on a day-to-day basis. It's very difficult. And if you like that, don't forget to hit the like button, right? And also the subscribe, right? You need to subscribe to these videos, else YouTube's not going to let you know about all this great content, so you need to do so. Also, don't forget, if you want to trade this, right? You want to trade it on bybit.davincij15.com and own a little bit of the DJ15 tokens, because you know what? I'm going to be paying you back, right, for using my links, right? My links directly. If you use anybody else's links, we've got to create a new email account, open up a new account, and use my Bybit link instead, because you know what? You own the DJ15 tokens. You want to get paid back some of that commissions that I receive, right? Or if you have an account with somebody else, you want that commission not coming back to you, not going to somebody else, because there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table when you don't do that. If you don't purchase the DJ15 token and use my Bybit link or my Femex link or my BTC Max link. All right. With that said, let's get on with the show. But remember, right? This is basically trading entertainment. It's not financial advice. Please do your own research before you put any money into the market. All right. Okay. Well, we know no matter what happens, right? Here's the thing. I want you to know one thing, right? If Bitcoin comes back, right, looks like it might come back to the 200 period moving average on the 4-hour. Doesn't mean it will, right? But no matter what happens, we are going a lot higher. We're going to the moon. We're going to 100,000 and beyond, right? That is going to happen. Now I know. When you look at a chart, right? You guys are like, have you seen the monthly chart, Da Vinci? Right? It's insane. Yeah. So let's just do that right now quickly. Here, we look at a monthly chart, and you're thinking, come on, man. Come on. This is redonkulous. But, right, all you have to do is, I thought I had the Twitter up here. Let me just bring up the Twitter. Twitter.com. All you have to do is head over to my Twitter. Make sure that you follow me on Twitter. And watch my last tweet right here. Second last tweet here. Watch the video of this last tweet, and tell me, right, how this is not going to continue going higher. Because have you seen what happens to assets in a hyperinflationary environment, right? All assets, right? You need to do some research on that. Right? Especially stocks and assets that are inflation protection assets, stocks or gold or silver. In every single instance where the government continues to print like this, where she's talking about printing us to the moon, right? Printing trillions and trillions of dollars, of euros. All I have to say is thank you. So there's absolute one direction here, right? Any other thing that happens, right, with this, right, any temporary setback is going to be very, very temporary. Thanks to her, thanks to the Fed, right, and thanks to all central banks around the world. Okay, alrighty, let's head to bring up all my drawing tools that I had, and let's go. Alrighty. As you can see, right, I was thinking maybe we can come back to 38.2, right, as like a good place to stop. But unfortunately, we have to consider, right, the what's it called, the resistance. What was the last resistance here? Does that 38.2 stand line up with some sort of resistance level? No, I mean there is a little bit here, right, where it failed to break down. We can see it right here. Let me just draw out a box for you guys to see it. Right here, you can see a little bit of resistance in the 38.2 zone, right? As you can see, the wicks are holding us in there. If we were to roll back from here, from way up here, right? That will serve as a little bit of resistance. Maybe we'll have a little bit more bounce and then come back down. But I think the real resistance will be found because there's more data points right about here. Just hold down the control button, right? And you can see there's lots of information. Oops. Right about here. So let me just show you guys. If we drag this over, you can see there's a lot of information that this is key resistance level that will be support when it comes back down, right? It was resistance going up, and now it's going to be support coming back down. So this also is going to be, this resistance level is going to be support coming back down. So let's just see in the next little while. Hopefully, I would hope that we bounce off the 13 AMA and continue higher. At worst, we check the just above the breakout level here and then go higher, because that'll spook a lot of people out, right? And then we have this trend line, which I'm not even sure if it's a good one. I would say, yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Let's see here. Let's move it around. See if we can find something decent. Oh, look at that. There we go. There we go. That's much better. Much better. Okay, I like that now. Whoa, that's a beautiful trend line now. There we go. And then you can see it broke through it. And now we're going to be back testing it, right, as a possibility. And yes, much better, much better. Alrighty, I think this is probably going to be our test level here, where we actually go, okay, yeah, we're testing this. Yeah, we're good. And it's launch pad time, and off we go. So I think, you know what? I think a breakdown below, a 4-hour close below the 58,155 is a sign that things have turned against us. So look out for that. Okay. Alrighty. Well, remember, I'm doing this live, right? Right now, I'm doing this live. I do it live at 8 o'clock from Monday through Friday, and 11 o'clock on Saturday. Well, Saturdays and Sunday I tried to be at 11 o'clock, but today it was a little bit late. But I want to sleep in a little bit. And if you want to join us, right, you can do so by heading over to www.davincej15.com and joining us, right, with a 50% off, right, sale, and you get Pandora's Wallet for free. We're always improving Pandora's Wallet, and we're going to be adding new features all the time, such as Uniswap, and then allowing you to cancel the orders if should prices of the gas fees get too high. So we're going to do that, add that feature in, and once we have the Uniswap as well as an exchange to trade. Also, right, you could also purchase if you want to watch this video live, you could always purchase the DJ15 token, right? I'll just come down here and learn all about the DJ15 token, and then you can head down and hit the buy button, right? Get some DJ15 tokens. All right. Also, finally, you could always watch this for free on Twitch, right? Where yesterday we did a special video for the Twitch people watching on Twitch, where it was a behind-the-scenes video of what we did, what the video between me and Chris. It was hilarious. Everybody loved it, and so you missed out on that. And so you might want to subscribe to my Twitch channel by heading over to twitch.tv/realdavincij15. Really important to get to subscribe, even if you don't use those types of media. It's really important to subscribe to my channels on multiple media sources, so that you don't lose out should YouTube cut me off one place, or I get cut off one place and not the other. So especially YouTube, since YouTube's my biggest one, you want to be able to get this content, and so to do so, you might want to subscribe. Another way to actually be a part of the subscription is you just head over to make sure that you don't lose out should I get cut off, is head over to www.davinci codes. I don't know how to spell my name. So to subscribe to videos and give your email, and then we will let you know when something where we are should we get cut off and stuff like that. So we'll have your email to keep you informed. All right, and also you get to watch those free videos of how to do the little lady strategy, which is making me money, which I just finished selling some mana here, and I did hit the sell button on mana, and it didn't go through. Right, I could have swore I hit the sell button. Oh well, gonna have to do it again. Hit the sell button. All right, mana up. Right, I know you're supposed to be giving us magic powers, right? Mana. I need to sell some of you, because I got too much mana on my Hannah. Okay, that was a lame rhyme. All right, that was lame. I know. Thank you. Leave me alone. All right, let's head over to Ethereum now. Ethereum. Oh my goodness. Come on, Ethereum. Why couldn't you make this resistance level? These two. I mean, come on, man. Don't play with me. Right? Why you have to do that? You gotta start bouncing here. Well, at least it's bouncing off the 13 EMA on the 4 hour. That's always a positive sign. You can see that this W-ish thing, this W here, which is not quite the greatest W, because it broke the lower level of the other V. So it's a slight W, right? I'm willing to let this one go, and as you can see, we've come back to test the entry level. Now, I'm thinking we should have, based on our rules, right, on the W's, right, we probably would have stopped out on break even, right? Because once you go to 50%, right, of the height, and here, this is where the target is, right? We're gonna go to 2 to 1. This is your stop loss right here. It's clear that we should probably have hit. We got hit on the stop loss, right? Because we moved our stop loss generally to break even once we get 50% of the way, and it's a little bit rough, right? That's why we're taking these kind of W's when it broke through the last low. Is a little bit tough to do. And we have to wait and see. I think Ethereum might still hold and go higher here, because we're basically breaking and bouncing off of the what's it called, the 13 AMA, which is remains in a bullish stance. But we can easily, unfortunately, do this. Unfortunately. Right, come back up here and am out, and then bounce off of this trend line, which concerned me a little bit, that we might have to test that trend line. Looking at the fibs, let's just draw some fibs from the last low, see if what's going on here. Right, let's see here. Yeah, the 78.6 is right down here, so we can probably come back down here and attest the 61.8 from the last high. right? Once again, unfortunately, and then go higher. So be careful of that. That's a possibility. Um, if you're willing to hold your trade all the way down, just make sure that your losses are not massive. All right. Should it continue on, right? Because it could easily just continue going down and break these stop losses. Because Ethereum works. Ethereum and Bitcoin, they both trade like they're what's it called? Forex market. They're really rough. They're really brutal on the stop runs. So keep an eye out for that. Okay. Well, right, with that said, let me just see what happened to my trade. Yep, I finally got paid on my what's it called? Mana. I'm very happy about that. It's just I had to like reset all of my sell orders, right? And I've only gotten down to the L's so far, when I was because I was going in alphabetical order to resetting all my sell orders, and that's why I didn't have a sell order for this particular coin. But yeah, just got paid for the second time, because I got paid down here, of course. Should I add? I think I did add down here, because there's no because I don't know why I don't have a marker down here, because I'm pretty sure I added down there. But yeah, this is how the little old lady strategy works, man. You just sell half on a double priced in Bitcoin, and you make more money. You make more of your, not money, dollars, right? You make more of your local currency easily, because where's Bitcoin going, right? Because Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. And this is an easy way to do so. It's a little old lady strategy. A lot of people have done the little old lady strategy and done extremely well. In fact, let me just, before I close off the show, let me just show you. Let me see if I can bring up my my Gmail account and show you some of the people who have done extremely well with the little lady strategy, and have gotten have done the work, the hard work that's involved, and I've gotten paid heavily in the last little while. And it is clear that here we go. I got it right now. There we go. It is clear that the direction of this, right? You can see right here that David, right? He's got a lot of people who's showing off all their doubles. Oh, I got paid. They got paid. Congratulations, all the people who got paid on these doubles, right? Also here, right? Lots of great feedback. Thank you very much. Appreciate everyone providing great feedback, showing off all your doubles, all your hard work, all your paydays, right? Because it's just great to see that you guys are doing extremely well. And thank you for all the love. Keep sending your messages. I want to see them all, and yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Cheers, people.